Are you ready to supercharge your immunity and stay healthy all year round? Well, we've got something exciting for you today. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of vegan foods that are not only delicious but also incredibly powerful for boosting your immune system. Hello, my name is Jacob and this is Vegan Life. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: immunity. Maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for staying healthy and warding off illnesses. And what better way to achieve this than through the power of plant-based foods? So, without further ado, let's explore 13 powerful vegan foods that will supercharge your immunity and keep you healthy all year round. 1. First up, we have the mighty citrus fruits. Bursting with vitamin C, these tangy delights are perfect for boosting your immune system. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, you name it. They are not only refreshing but also loaded with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals and keep your immune system in top shape. 2. Next on our list are leafy greens, nature's powerhouses. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like iron and magnesium. These greens provide a solid foundation for a strong immune system. So, don't forget to include them in your daily diet. 3. Who doesn't love berries? Not only are they incredibly delicious, but they also offer numerous health benefits. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins that help strengthen your immune system. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, berries are a fantastic addition to your vegan diet. But before we continue, I ask you please leave your like and subscribe to the channel because this video will help other people and you will receive content like this every day. 4. Now, let's talk about a culinary superhero, garlic. Not only does it add incredible flavor to dishes, but it also has remarkable immune-boosting properties. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that enhance the activity of immune cells, helping your body fight infections. So, don't be afraid to include this aromatic bulb in your meals. 5. Moving on, we have ginger, an ancient root renowned for its medicinal properties. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can bolster your immune system. Whether used in teas, stir-fries, or desserts, ginger adds a wonderful kick to your dishes while providing a natural immunity boost. 6. Speaking of ancient remedies, we can't forget about turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Incorporating turmeric into your meals can help strengthen your immune system and protect against various diseases. So, sprinkle some turmeric magic into your dishes. Before we wrap up, here's an exciting offer that perfectly aligns with our theme of supercharging your immunity. If you want to explore even more incredible vegan recipes that promote a strong immune system, we have a special treat for you. For a limited time, the book that will help you boost your immunity with more than 100 vegan recipes is at the promotional price. Don't miss out on this opportunity to discover a treasure trove of delicious and healthful plant-based meals that will support your immune system. Click the link in the description below to grab your copy at the promotional price now. 7. Let's shift our focus to legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These plant-based powerhouses are packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals. They not only provide a sustainable source of energy but also support the immune system with their nutrient density. So, don't underestimate the humble legume, they're a secret weapon for your health. 8. When it comes to snacking, why not choose nuts and seeds? Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, the options are endless. These crunchy delights are not only delicious but also rich in immune-boosting nutrients. Packed with vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants, nuts and seeds are the perfect addition to your vegan diet. Grab a handful for a quick and nutritious snack or sprinkle them over your meals for an extra health boost. 9. Now, let's explore the magical world of mushrooms. They are not only versatile in the kitchen but also offer incredible immune-boosting benefits. Mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and reishi contain beta-glucans, which enhance the activity of your immune cells and support overall immune function. So, get adventurous with mushrooms and elevate your meals while fortifying your immunity. 10. Next on our list are fermented foods. Think sauerkraut, kimchi, tempeh, and miso. These probiotic-rich delights promote a healthy gut flora, which is closely linked to a robust immune system. By nourishing your gut with beneficial bacteria, fermented foods help enhance your body's defense mechanisms. So, don't forget to incorporate these tangy and flavorful foods into your diet. 11. Now, let's dive into the ocean and explore the wonders of seaweed. Seaweed varieties like nori, dulse, and wakame are packed with essential minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. They provide a concentrated source of nutrients that support your immune system's vitality. So, sushi lovers, rejoice! Seaweed is not only delicious but also a fantastic way to boost your immunity. 12. Who says being healthy means giving up on chocolate? Dark chocolate, with a high percentage of cocoa and without milk, is a delightful treat that offers surprising health benefits. It contains antioxidants like flavonoids that can support your immune system and overall well-being. So, indulge in a piece or two of dark chocolate guilt-free and savor its immune-boosting goodness. 13. Last but not least, we have a superstar grain, quinoa. This gluten-free ancient grain is not only a complete protein but also a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. By incorporating quinoa into your meals, you provide your body with the nutrients it needs to maintain a strong immune system. So, swap your regular grains for quinoa and enjoy its versatility and nutritional benefits. And there you have it, 13 powerful vegan foods that will supercharge your immunity and keep you healthy all year round. By incorporating these plant-based delights into your diet, you can nourish your body, boost your immune system, and enjoy delicious meals along the way. Remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against illnesses. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and embrace the power of vegan foods. And look, well, if you want to know more about how to boost your immune system and understand all the essential nutrients in a vegan diet, I made a fantastic video on the subject and will leave it on the final screen in the description of this video here for you to check. Comment below if you have any more vegan tips to strengthen the immune system. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting vegan recipes, health tips, and lifestyle inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.